Hello, I am from International Scientific Research and Publications. In this video, we are going to explain how to write a perfect research paper. Here is an ultimate guide which will help you to write a perfect research paper. So let's begin the video. First, let us know what is a research paper. A research paper is a type of academic writing that provides an in-depth analysis, evaluation, or interpretation of a single topic based on empirical evidence. Research papers are similar to analytical essays, except that research papers emphasize the use of statistical data and persisting research along with a strict code for citations. Let us know how long a research paper should be. The length of a research paper depends on the topic or assignment. Typically, research papers run around 4,000 to 6,000 words, but it's common to see short papers around 2,000 words or long papers over 10,000 words. If you are writing a paper for school, the recommended length should be provided in the assignment. Otherwise, let your topic dictate the length. Complicated topics or extensive research will require more explanation. And I am going to tell you 9 steps which will help you to write a perfect research paper. Here are the 9 steps. Let us discuss about the first thing. Let us understand about the assignment. So, your first step should be to review the assignment and carefully read the writing prompt. Especially look for technical requirements such as length, formatting requirements, that means single versus double spacing, like indentations. Indentations are nothing but spaces between the characters, words or lines. And also you have to look for a citation style. And the second step, which is you have to choose your perfect topic. Your top priority in how to choose a research paper topic is whether it will provide enough content and substance for an entire research paper. That means it should provide a content, more information about the topic for your complete research paper. You will not want to choose a topic with enough data and complexity to enable a rich discussion. And the next thing is gather preliminary research. To refine your topic and prepare your thesis statement, find out what research is available for your topic as soon as possible. Yearly research can help dispel any microconceptions you have about the topic and reveal the best path and approaches to find more material. And the fourth thing, which is you have to write a thesis statement. A thesis statement is a best answer for how to start a research paper. Aside from preparing your reader, the thesis statement also makes it easier for other researchers to access whether or not your research paper is useful for them for their own research. So, what is the use of this writing thesis statement? Thesis statement will help the other researchers to access your paper and able to understand that research paper will be useful or understandable for their own research or not. And the next thing, which is you have to determine your supporting evidence. Normally, you find your supporting evidence by reading each source and taking notes. Isolate only one information that directly relevant to your topic. Don't bog down your paper with tangents or unnecessary content, however interesting they may be. And the sixth one, which is you have to write a research paper outline. First, make a list of all important categories and subtopics you need to cover and outline for. Consider all the information you gathered when compiling your supporting evidence and ask yourself what the best way to separate and categorize everything is. And the seventh thing, which is you have to write the first draft. If you don't know how to write an introduction for a research paper, the beginning can be difficult. So, for a research paper, writing the introduction can be more difficult. For that, we are writing the thesis statement beforehand. Open with your thesis statement and then fill out the rest of your introduction with the secondary information. Save the details for your body of your research, which comes next. And the eighth thing, which is cite your scores correctly. Citations are a part of what sets research papers apart from more partial notifications like personal essays. Citing your sources both validates your data and also links your research paper to the greater scientific community. Because of their importance, citations must follow precise formatting rules. Problem is there are more than one set of rules. You need to check with the assignment to see which formatting style is required. Typically, there are formatting type or two types, which is MLA and APA. MLA is also called as Modern Language Association, and the APA full form is American Psychological Association. Last but not the least, edit and proofread. You want to go through your research paper to correct all the mistakes by proofreading. We recommend going over it twice, once for structural issues such as adding and deleting parts or rearranging paragraphs, and once for word choice, grammatical mistakes and spelling mistakes too. Doing two different editing sections help you to focus on one area at a time instead of doing them both at once. To help you catch everything, here's a quick checklist to keep in mind while you edit. First thing, is your thesis statement clear and concise? Is your paper is well organized, and does it flow from beginning to end with logical transitions? Do your ideas follow a logical sequence in each paragraph? Have you used concrete details and facts and avoiding generalizations? Do your arguments support and prove your thesis? Have you avoided repetition? Are your sources properly cited? Have you checked for accidental plagiarism? And the next thing is word choice, grammar and spelling edit. This means you can able to find spelling mistakes and grammatical mistakes. And the first question you have to ask is your language clear and specific? Do your sentence flow smoothly and clearly? Have you avoided filler words and phrases? Have you checked for proper grammar, spelling and punctuation? So, these questions can be asked to yourself to find a perfect research paper. So, with these 9 steps, you can able to write a successful research paper. I think this video will be helpful for you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.